We'll guide you through how to transfer a Roblox account to another device. It doesn't matter whether it's a phone, computer or console, we're guiding you through this. So if you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a quick and convenient way of signing in without needing to go and enter in your username, email or phone and then your password. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Watch this full guide to know exactly what you need to do. You can do this whether you're using the Roblox app or whether you're using the Roblox site, it doesn't matter. If you're using the app, then what you need to do is go and press sign in and you'll get brought to this page here. And what you want to do is go and find the option for quick sign in. You can click there. You can do the same thing on a computer, on a web browser, you can press quick sign in. So now what we need to do here is we need to go and scan the QR code if we can from the device's camera. If you're on a phone, you can go and do that. I'm going to go and use the code just to go and keep this guide broad. So currently my Roblox account is on my phone. It could be on a computer though, it doesn't matter. So what we need to do is go and find where we can go and enter in this code. So we need to go and find the more page. So on a phone, that's in the bottom right. If you're on a computer, that's going to be over to the left. And then what we need to do is go and scroll to the bottom and there we should go and find the option for quick sign in. Now what we need to do is go and enter in the code so I can go and see it on my computer screen right now. So just type it in exactly how it goes and appears. And after you've done that, we can then go and press enter like so. You now need to go and confirm it. You can see my computer says confirm login. If you're sure, of course, make sure you're definitely sure because this will give access to your account on the device. I'll press confirm login. I'll press done and that's it. Go and wait and you can see we're now logging in. And that is it. We're now on the account and we can now go and start using it. It's that simple. And of course, you can go and repeat that for more devices. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides like this. We post them every single day, so I'm sure we're able to help you again. Have a great day and goodbye for now.